today's video, we are going to be discussing my all-time favorite skincare product line, Noevir. If you're not familiar with Noevir, Noevir is a Japanese skincare line. They not only have skincare, but they also have cosmetics and hair care products. Noevir is a fabulous brand. I have over 30 years experience using this product, and I want to share my experience with you. So where do I begin? Okay, I started using Noevir when I was 12 years old. This is a product that my mom introduced me to. My mother is somebody who absolutely has always taken care of her skin. She has always been very dedicated to that sort of thing. So she got me started very early in life. In one of my past videos on skincare, where I talked about my 4 top skincare products that I use, I mentioned Noevir, and I mentioned that I would do a video getting more in depth about the product. So let's jump into it. Noevir is a Japanese brand. It is not a brand that you can go to your local drugstore and just purchase it off the shelf. This is not that type of product. This is a brand that is sold by catalog. It is sold online, and it is sold through Noevir representatives, okay? Disclaimer, I am not a representative. I have never sold Noevir, and I probably never will, but I do absolutely love the product. So Noevir, in regards to skincare, offers different lines, and it's on a scale system. It starts very mild, and it works its way up to stronger concentrated products. When you begin with Noevir, you usually start with NHS.
NHS stands for Noevir Herbal Skincare. Here you see the set that they offer. This set comes with 4 different items. It has the deep cleansing cream, the foaming cleanser, the balancing lotion, and the moisture lotion. Now, the NHS line is a line that everybody starts with. This is like the most basic and the mildest line that Noevir carries. I started using this line when I was 12 years old and well into my 20s.
Now, if you are a girl on the go, Noevir may be kind of complicated for you. Noevir is not a line that needs to be rushed. That is not the way it's designed. It is designed to relax, get in your comfy clothes, and start doing your treatment, just like if you were in a spa. They want you to start with the creamy cleanser, apply that to your face, make your face nice and greasy, opening up all those pores, letting all the impurities out, washing that off. And then they want you to add the foaming cleanser, taking your time, applying the foaming cleanser in all areas, and just savoring every bit of it, okay? After you apply both cleansers and you wash them off, your face will be nice and soft. Then they want you to add what they call the balancing lotion, which is a toner. You apply your toner, and then you apply your moisturizer. So if you are a girl that is just on the go, basically how I am, this may be a little complicated for you. You're still here? Wow. All right, you must totally be interested in this product. So let's look at all the individual products that they have, at least the ones that I've used and have experience with. And let's break them down and see exactly what they do and how they feel. Come on.
All right, let's start with the deep cleansing cream. The deep cleansing cream is a cream-based product that you put on your face to cleanse it. This is kind of like the old-fashioned Pond's or, the vintage style cleansing creams that you used to see in the past that would leave like greasiness on your face, but would work really well in pulling up impurities and just kind of loosening up any kind of dirt or even, blackheads and things like that that are in your face. It would open up your pores, and it works really well to just give you a very deep cleansing of your face. And that's exactly why it's called the cleansing cream. I use this product for many, many years. And it works fantastic with the foaming cleanser. But you have to use both those in conjunction together. If you don't, it just doesn't work. Either the cleansing cream is too oily to actually clean off, or the foaming cleanser will be too drying without the cleansing cream. Now, if you are one of those people that has the time to do both the cleansers, by all means use them because it is well worth it. It does make your face feel beautifully soft and very clean. Now, I will be completely honest with you, after using the two products for probably about 15 years, I just got tired of the process of I just felt like it took up too much time, and I ended up buying an over-the-counter product that I was happy with and just started using that just as one cleanser on my face and done. A few facts about the deep cleansing cream. It comes in a 4.2 fluid ounce tube and it runs about $34. It is not really super cheap, but it is a good product. It is made with linden and sage extracts. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, and parsley extracts. All right, so now let's move on to the foaming cleanser. The foaming cleanser is also a really great product. I do not recommend this product if you have dry skin. This product says that it is non-stripping to the skin, but I disagree. I think that if you have dry skin, it makes your skin even drier. It is critical that you use the deep cleansing cream first and then use the foaming cleanser second. If you don't, it will be just way too drying for your skin. Unless maybe you're somebody with very oily skin. If you're somebody with very oily skin, this may be fantastic for you. A few facts about the foaming cleanser. It comes in a 4.5 fluid ounce tube and it runs about $32. It also has linden and sage extracts. It also has vitamin C, E, and parsley extracts. Up next is the balancing lotion, also known as a toner. The toner is pretty self-explanatory. Toner is toner. You put it on your face, it closes your pores after they've been opened up, and it helps prevent blemishes or any kind of entry into your pores by dirt or any kind of residual makeup. So toner is a great thing to use, and it really, really does help if you're dealing with acne or even occasional acne. Toner, I feel, is a product that is skipped a lot. It just feels like you're splashing some kind of little tonic or water on your face, and you're like, what's the point? But really, it does work very well for keeping your skin nice and taut and ready to apply anything else, moisturizer, makeup, etc. So I do recommend toner. Do I necessarily recommend the Noevir toner? Not necessarily, and I'm going to tell you why. This toner costs $39. I've used Elizabeth Arden, I've used different type of toners, and I gotta say, they do about the same thing. I don't really feel a difference. So for me, I would go with a less expensive toner and basically get the same results. Not that the Noevir isn't nice, it is, but so are the others. Few facts for the balancing lotion. It comes in a 4-ounce bottle and it costs $39. It has linden and sage extracts. It has jojoba leaf extract, vitamin C, vitamin E, and parsley extracts. Now, last but not least is the moisture lotion. This to me is the star of the show. I used this product for at least 15 years, and to me, it was fantastic. I no longer use this product, not because I don't still love it, because I still love it, but only because I've kind of aged out of it. As I mentioned before, Noevir has like a tier system, and I am already at the age where this type of product that I used when I was 12 years old no longer does enough for me. So as you stay with the brand for years and years and years, you notice that you have to start using stronger products that offer more in regards to anti-aging. Now, this moisturizer is very rare to me. It has a consistency of like a milk-based consistency. It is very light and it has just a very light fragrance. You apply it to your face and your face automatically just starts absorbing it. It's not a product that just sits on your face. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel gel-like. It doesn't feel like it has sunscreen in it because it doesn't. So it doesn't have any kind of consistency like that. And that is what I love so much about this product. Lightweight moisturizer is always what I'm looking for. I don't want heavy products on my face. And then on top of that, foundation, contouring, blushes and things, because I do wear makeup. So I don't want all this heaviness on my face. And it has to start with the moisturizer. I don't like moisturizers that I feel like I'm just carrying this sunscreen on my face all day. I don't like that. And that's why I say that this moisturizer seems rare to me, because there has been occasions, I mean, I've been using this product for, like I said, 30 plus years. So there has been occasions where I have run out of product, started using something else, and always go back to Noevir because of the same reason. I just want a very lightweight type moisturizer, and this definitely fits the bill. A few facts about the moisture lotion: it has linden, it has jojoba leaf extract, vitamin C, it has vitamin E, parsley extracts, it has Mytilus glycogen, gentian extract, and marine collagen. Now the NHS line has yet another product that I am absolutely in love with. This is the product that I am currently using, and I have been using this product for, I would say, about 5 to 6 weeks now. This is the Extra Moisture Cream. Now, when they say Extra Moisture Cream, they are not lying. This is really a moisturizing cream. This does not have the same soft consistency and lightweight consistency that the NHS moisturizer has, or moisturizing lotion. This is a cream base. I really love this in the winter because it just does away with any kind of dry flakes you may have or any kind of super dryness you have on your face. So this is my new favorite product at the moment, the Extra Moisture Cream. Now keep in mind, this Extra Moisture Cream is not for young skin. If you are in your teens or you are in your 20s, this is absolutely not for you. This is an anti-aging cream. So this is for an older skin, and it works fantastic. As soon as I started using it, I could tell the difference. I could see the smoothness in my face. I have a more youthful appearance. I'm really, really happy with this product. The thing with this product is it is strong. It is strong. Whatever it is that they put in it, it is stronger, and I can feel the difference. When I first started putting it on, I would get a small little blemish, like nothing crazy or volcanic, but a small blemish probably every week. And I knew it was attributed to the cream. But after about 3 or 4 little blemishes, it went away. And I can say that for the last maybe 2 weeks or so, I haven't had any more blemishes. So, and I think it's just a matter of your skin getting used to the product. The results were so nice for me that I was willing to get that one little blemish a week just to keep going and see what would happen. So this is a fantastic product. And if you are looking for an anti-aging cream, this is great. Again, it doesn't have the lightweight consistency of the moisturizer. It has a heavier consistency, but it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't feel like suntan lotion on your face. It does feel oilier because it is a cream. A few facts about the Extra Moisture Cream: it comes in a 1.2 ounce jar, and it does run about $47. It has linden, it has sage extracts, it has jojoba leaf extract, vitamin C, vitamin E, tocopherol, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, parsley extract, Mytilus glycogen, and a few other beneficial ingredients.
Now the second line after NHS is the 99 Plus line.
The 99 Plus line also comes with several different products: Refresh Balancing Lotion, Replenishing Moisturizer, and the Protecting Skin Cream. Now this 99 Plus line is a new line. This is a fairly new product that's been around for maybe the last 2 years or so. The original 99 was a fantastic product. It was a step up from the NHS, and you can feel the difference. You can feel that it was a little stronger and it did a little bit more, and it was just right where you needed to be when you're probably in around your 30s. But for whatever reason, they changed that formula and started this new line called 99 Plus. Well, I wish I had wonderful things to say about 99 Plus, but unfortunately, I don't. I was excited to try it. It was new packaging. It looked fresh and exciting, but when I tried the product, it absolutely was not. However, I only did try one of the products, which was the moisturizer. It had exactly what I just never thought any of the Noevir products would have, and it was that feeling of having sunscreen on your face. That is a feeling that I absolutely cannot stand. I hate that heaviness. I'll put sunscreen on my face if I'm at the pool, if I'm at the beach, but not just because I need to carry it on my face. I have sunscreen inside my foundation. So needless to say, I was very unhappy with this product. I don't know why they changed the formula, but I really wish they hadn't. Price for the 99 Plus line, for the 5 pieces, it's about $258.
Now the third line is the 105 skincare line.
The 105 skincare line comes with about 6 different products. It has the Herbal Cleansing Massage Cream, the Herbal Cleansing Rinse, the Herbal Foaming Cleanser, the Herbal Skin Balancing Lotion, the Herbal Enriched Moisturizer, and the Herbal Skin Cream. Now, I am not at the age to use the 105 line yet. My mother uses the 105 and she raves about it and absolutely loves it. But I really can't give you any kind of feedback or review on the 105 line because I have never used it. I'm just sharing it with you so you can see what is the line that comes next in the Noevir tier system. Price for the 105 set is approximately $423. And last but not least,
would be the Premier Anti-Aging line, which is 505.
The 505 line consists of the Revitalizing Balancing Lotion, Hydrating Emulsion, and Perfecting Cream. So 3 products in this line. And as I said before, I am not at the age where I have started using the 505, so I really can't give you a review on it. However, I can tell you that for the 3 products, the price is approximately $490.
Now, beyond the daily skincare line, they also have special treatments.
Included are products such as hair care products. They also have a very extensive cosmetic line. They have products as inexpensive as $13 and special treatments that reach even a whopping $900.
So there you have it. Noevir is not the least expensive product. It is not the most expensive, but it is not the least expensive either. It is a little pricey, but when it comes to your skincare, you usually want the best. For me, this is a product that I have always come back to. Even in moments when I have run out of the product, went to the drugstore, bought something else on a whim, I always end up going back to Noevir. It is just a really fantastic product. And like I said, I don't sell this product. I am not a Noevir salesperson, but I just love this product and I want to put it out there so people know. People have asked me many times, what do you use on your skin? And that's what it is. It's Noevir. So there you go, guys. I hope this video was very informative. I hope you got a lot of information, everything that you were looking for. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to ask in the comments and I'd be happy to answer. Products are not cheap. We as consumers need to know what we're getting into before we start spending all kinds of money. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with someone, and until the next video, bye-bye.